So you do it this way. Make time go up like that, see? But I don't know why I was switching back. I'm not supposed to do that. That's what you do when you feel like your life is in danger. You turn it this way. Make the time go up. I thought I already taught you that. How many times I gotta teach you? But I don't feel like my life is in danger, but I'm just showing you. This is an example, another example. When you feel like your life is in danger, you turn the camera on, and make the time go up. If you feel like your life is in danger and you don't have, should I say, protection. This is just an example because I've already experienced it, but this is just an example. For the record. Just for the record. Brighten things up, shall we? See? For the record. Hit the lights, it's for the record. Even, it's for the record. Because I've already experienced it. Live PD, just for the record. I don't feel like my life is in danger. I've already experienced it. See? Can you see clearly? But this is just an example, so you know.